In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not opening websites on iPhone. Safari refusing to load websites or acting glitchy. These troubleshooting steps fix 95% of Safari problems. Safari issues can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need to access something important. But most Safari problems are easy to fix once you know what to look for. First, check your internet connection. Sounds obvious, but try opening a few different websites to see if it's a specific site issue or a general connectivity problem. If other apps are working fine but Safari isn't, we're dealing with a Safari-specific issue. Clear your Safari cache and data. Go to Settings, scroll down to Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Don't worry, this won't delete your bookmarks or save passwords. Here's something people often miss. Check your content blockers. If you have ad blockers or privacy extensions installed, they might be too aggressive. Go to Safari settings and look for content blockers. Try turning them off temporarily to see if that fixes the issue. DNS problems can also cause websites not to load. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the eye next to your network, and try changing DNS to 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. These are public DNS servers that often work better than your ISP's default ones. If Safari is completely unresponsive, try force closing it. Double tap Home or swipe up from bottom, find Safari, and swipe it away. Then restart Safari fresh. If nothing works, try resetting network settings under Settings, General, Reset. This will fix DNS issues and network conflicts, but you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks afterward. Thanks for watching.